Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Educam Foundation. I'm Dr. Dnanesh Dubal. I'm a research scientist at the University of Cambridge with specialization in stem cell and molecular biology. I've obtained my PhD and Masters from IISER Pune. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize your research literature in a very smart and efficient way. As a researcher, we come across tons of literature with really good quality research papers. But when we sit down to write our thesis or a research paper or a review article, we most of the time forget about this paper or we waste a lot of time to go back and search these papers. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing application. It's called Notion. So Notion is a free productivity software which you can install on your smartphone or use it in your browser window. Today I'm going to show you how I organize my literature as well as will make Notion worksheet from scratch. So watch this video till the end. So let's jump into the episode. So without any delay, so let's go to Notion website. Okay, click this link and then here is the login. So I already account on the Notion. So I'm just gonna put my email ID. Now we are coming into my account and then I have already created some of the project. This is I have been working on from past 2 years. So look at my page. So I have created like multiple columns with the different names, but like in each row you would find so I have like specific projects which I'm working on currently. So I have 3 different projects. It's a NAD, NADH, nuclear metabolism, ATF4, DAM ID, and enzyme GFP tagging. So basically, these are just the technique that I'm basically collecting literature for. So as you can see here, like under project, you can write your different project names. Then you can subdivide the topics. You can subdivide the subjects under the subtopics. For example, in the NAD NADH, so this is one of my topics, that is the NAD recycling. And then you can have another column named the article type. So where you can differentiate the different article based on their type. Let's say a research article, the technique articles, the review articles, and there is one thesis article. So you might want to compile the thesis article as well. So it's whatever you need. Then I have made another column where I have put all the keywords related to that article. Then you can put your titles here in this column, and this is a very interesting, which is this feature I like the most. So here you can attach the link for your paper, so that if you click on this link, then you can directly go to that paper without any delay. So this is really helpful. Then another feature is that you can link the images, the specific images of that paper in here. So basically this is the model, and then you can embed the link for your specific image, and whenever you click it here, you can just open that image. Then I have another column called the year, so when that paper is published, and this is my score. So for example, if I like this paper a lot, then I give 4-star, and then based on that, basically I don't follow it very much, and then I tend to write the summary of the paper. And then status, of course. So for example, if you have just put the paper on the Notion web page, then you may say you want to read it, and if you want to read it, then you can just change the status to read, and for example, if you really like the paper, then you can repeat the reading. So this is how I have compiled my Notion web page. So now I'm gonna show you how to make this worksheet from scratch. So what you can do, so you can open any template from here. So I have used the university application template, and then get template. Okay. Now this is your the template, and what you can do, you can change the cover by clicking the change cover, and then you can basically choose whichever cover you want. So let's be a little bit artistic. Okay, and then you can reposition it and this save position. Now you don't want any of this, so I'm clicking everything and then deleting it. Delete. Okay, now what you are left with, basically all this column that we are going to change um, in a bit. But what you can do, you can change your project title. So for example, you can say this is reading material. Okay, then you don't need this, so I'm going to remove all of this. Then you can change the heading. You can give any name, so that project 1, let's say. So here what you can do, so you can change the name by clicking here. So you can say it's project. Then so here you can change the tag or icon by clicking here, whatever and whichever tag you want, or basically describe the column. Then go to project, change this as well, subtopic. Then I'm making this third. So basically in next 2 minutes I'm gonna change everything and then get back to you. Okay, in link, so the link is important because it's edit property. You need to change it to URL, so that it can, so basically whenever you will put any of the link, so it will automatically converted into the link format, in the URL format. Then the journal name, and you don't need this, so basically you need to change the property to the text. Your submission date, so basically we can change it to publication date, publication year probably. And then you don't need the calendar, so I'm just keeping it text or number if you prefer that. Then you may want to make another column called the important image. And then finally status, and then whether you have read that paper or not yet read. You change it to text. Okay, so now your all the columns are ready. And what you want to do, so I'm gonna show you how to fill those columns or the rows. So let's say project is mitochondrial metabolism. This is the project I'm working on right now. Then subtopic may be electron transport chain. Okay, then type is a review article. Why? Because I'm gonna show you that. The title, I'm going to my paper. So this is the review article. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna copy this title and paste it here. Title is done. Now link. So for link, you can either choose this web link or this DOI number. So I tend to choose the DOI number because which is very consistent, and paste it here. Then journal, so journal is a development, so let's put that here. Then publication year, I know because this is my review article. Then important image, so important image from that. Oh, okay, we need to change the property to media, the files and media. Yeah, okay. And now you can either embed the link or upload it from your web page. So I'm gonna embed the link. So go to your paper and then choose whichever image you like the most, or which basically conveys the important message of your paper. So I'm gonna choose this, enlarge it, and then basically you will get this, the whole link for your image. Copy that and then put it in this and link it. So, and then your image will be embedded in this column. And then status, so I already read this paper, so I'm gonna read. Okay, so you can make one more column about the summary of your article. So this is important because, so next time when you come back to your the Notion page, so you basically don't want to go through everything. So what you can do is, so you can directly go to your summary page and then read the bullet points. So you can write one bullet, the first bullet point, then second, and so on. So then okay, so this is done. Now let's check whether it is working. So in the link section, so if I click the link, and then you can see, I mean, we are directly going to that the web page. And then image, I showed you earlier. So if you click on the image, so your image is already embedded. So this is how you can compile any number of article. You just need to click new. You just need to click on this new link, and then basically there is no limit. Okay, now this is how basically you whenever you'll find any interesting paper or the new paper which is related to your topic, you can compile it in your Notion web page. I hope you learned something from this video and now ready to organize your own research literature. If you like this video, then please follow, like and subscribe my channel. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.